Have you ever flipped over a cleaning product, seen the word fragrance, and wondered what that actually means? Today, we're taking a deep dive into fragrances, what they are, how they affect our health, and why making the switch to a fragrance-free cleaner like Force of Nature may be a better option for your family. Let's start with what fragrance actually means on a label. Fragrance is an umbrella term used to describe a mix of scent ingredients, often made up of dozens or even hundreds of individual chemicals that companies aren't required to disclose. And cleaning products are one of the biggest sources of added fragrance, which is why switching to a truly fragrance-free option like Force of Nature can make such a difference. We've been trained that if something smells good, it must be clean, but that is simply not true. A lot of the time, that fresh or clean scent is actually coming from added fragrance, not the actual cleaning itself. Fragrance doesn't make a product perform better, it just creates the perception that it is. Is there a difference between unscented and fragrance-free? Yes, there is a difference. The term unscented means that a product doesn't contain fragrance for the purpose of scenting, but an unscented product can contain fragrance to mask the odor of other ingredients in the formula. The term fragrance-free means that no extra fragrances were added to change the natural scent of the product. But labels can be tricky, so that doesn't always mean that there's nothing fragrance related in the product formula. At Force of Nature, we are fully transparent and only use 3 ingredients in our formula: salt, water, and vinegar. Here's why this matters. Many fragrances contain chemicals like phthalates, which are used to make scents last longer. Phthalates pose a number of startling health risks, including cancer, hormone disruption, and more. And because cleaning products are such a common source of fragrance, it can really add up in your home. Making fragrance-free swaps like Force of Nature is a simple way to reduce that exposure. With that being said, this is where Force of Nature comes in. It's completely fragrance-free, meaning there are no added scents, dyes, preservatives, allergens, or irritants, yet it cleans and disinfects just as effectively as bleach. Overall, fragrances are linked to so many health risks, so cutting them out is one of the easiest, most impactful ways to reduce your family's exposure to harmful chemicals.